You are listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast. This is the place where content creators come to learn how to create profitable content that positions themselves as an authority and grows their online businesses. Get ready to take your content to a whole new level with your host, Kristen Poborski.
If you're already using AI for your content, you're not behind. But if you're still prompting manually, editing the outputs, and piecing everything together, you're doing the hardest part yourself. See, prompting is just the starting line. The real freedom comes when you've built a team of trained agents that run your content in the background, like your own invisible staff. I've run a 2-person, multi-six-figure business for years now, and I haven't written a piece of content from scratch or repurposed it in months. So give me 3 minutes and I will show you why prompting is still keeping you stuck, what a background content team really looks like without hiring, and how I built mine quietly, consistently, and in my voice. I'm Kristen Poborski, and I've helped content creators create content that sounds like them using AI. So even if you're still thinking up ideas, writing the prompts, rewriting the output, managing all the moving parts, that's still labor. You're not creating content faster. You're just working harder, slightly sped up. It's invisible and it adds up. And it's the number one reason people still feel stuck, even with AI. So what replaces you in that process? See, here's the shift. Don't think of AI as a tool. Think of it as a trainable team member, or better, a whole crew of them. In my business, I've trained agents that will take one voice note, turn it into a week of content, format, rewrite it, and adapt it to each platform and work 24/7 in the background for me. So I don't have to babysit the process. It runs in the background like clockwork. And this is where AI stops just saving you time, but gives you your life back. See, we don't have a big team. We have a structure of trained agents and messaging that's locked in. Content that goes out weekly. It sounds like me, and I don't touch it. It's not about scaling faster. It's about being able to step away without things falling apart. If you're still thinking in prompts, you're building a faster hamster wheel. But if you can train AI to work for you, it becomes the team in the background that you didn't know that you could have. You want to see how this actually works? Just DM me agents and I will show you. Not someday, not in theory. This is already running today in my business.
You've been listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, where content creators go to learn how to take their content creation to the next level. If you love the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, we'd love for you to subscribe, rate, and give us a review on iTunes. Until next time.